welcome to your quick 5-minute yoga flow. Great for any time of the day when you need a little boost of energy. Let's begin standing with feet around hip distance apart at the top of your mat. Roll your shoulders forward 3 times. And then roll them back 3 times. Take a big inhale, reach arms up to the sky, look up. Exhale, forward fold, release upper body over your legs. Inhale halfway up, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold down again. Hold the opposite elbows and sway the body side to side, back and forth a few times. Release your elbows, inhale halfway up, long spine. Exhale, step back into plank and lower down to your belly. Point your feet, 3 small cobras. With inhale, lift your chest and head up. With exhale, release forehead down. Inhale, lift your chest, pull your shoulders back. Exhale, release down. One more time, inhale. Exhale. Press yourself up to your hands and knees, tabletop position. 3 rounds of cat and cow. Inhale, lift your chest, look up. Exhale, round the back. Inhale for cow. Exhale for cat. Last time, inhale. Exhale. Back to neutral spine, tuck your toes under, lift your hips up, downward facing dog. Walk your feet out, bend and straighten the legs one by one. Then come to stillness. With inhale, lift your right leg up, 3-legged dog. Exhale, step between your hands for high lunge. Inhale, raise up, reach your arms up, lift your chest. Exhale, plant your hands down, step back into plank and lower down to your belly. Inhale, 1 cobra, lift your chest. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, step between your hands. Inhale, raise up, high lunge. Exhale, hands down, step back, plank pose. Lower down to your belly. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your right leg up, 3-legged dog. Exhale, step between your hands. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, open arm twist to the right. Left arm reaches forward. Try to look back to your right hand. Inhale, back to high lunge. Both arms reach up. Exhale, hands down, plank pose and lower down to your belly. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your left leg high. Exhale, step between your hands. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, open arm twist. Try to look back. Inhale, back to high lunge. Exhale, hands down, lower down to your belly. One more time, inhale, big cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Pause here, press through your hands, lift your hips high. Take a big inhale. And exhale, lower your knees down for child's pose. Lower your forehead down, sit back to your heels. Arms reach forward or back alongside the body. Slowly lift your chest, sit up on your heels. And one more breath together. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, bring your palms to your heart. I hope you enjoyed this quick yoga flow. My heart was definitely beating faster after just 5 minutes of practice. I wish you a great day and see you next time. Bye!